Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you check your phone model number in your Samsung phone. Guys you want to check your phone model number in your Samsung phone. So guys you can check it, and guys now let's see how to check phone model number in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to check your phone model number. So guys we will on our phone setting to check our phone model number. Then guys scroll it. So guys, after the guys you can see guys about phone setting. So guys we will have to click here. So guys we will click here. Then guys you can see guys your model number, phone model number guys, Galaxy M52 5G guys. So guys you can check from here your phone model number in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check phone model number in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Friends, thanks for watching my video guys.